aloud.
Okay. I wish this note came with the news you were waiting for. We will not be able to attend the R5 concert. So sorry for this. I wish it was different. I made this note.
Aloud.
One of a kind, and thought you still deserve it. You know, a girl has to have something new to wear to the R5 meet and greet.
So it's actually the sound check, but so I took your drawing and I made you a one-of-a-kind, you'll never be able to buy it offline t-shirt that you can wear, and hopefully, you know...
Or I could not wear it and have them sign it.
Or you can wear it and they can sign it.
That too.
So...